Hello everyone, my brothers and sisters, and my dear student. Today I am giving some the basic information about the COVID-19. So today's my lecture is on the COVID-19. COVID-19 is very dangerous virus. This virus is coming from firstly in Wuhan, China. Because in our countries they come which ways? Because many peoples of our country they going the foreign countries. In these foreign countries the China is also a country. So many people they going in the Chinas and after that they back up in our countries. So with them this virus is coming into them. So in these times this virus is fulfill full the countries of our country India country. Because this virus is very danger virus. This virus is coming in the first stage. When they coming in the first stage, in these times, the people says that COVID-19 is very simply virus and this is not a harmful virus. So they're going here and there and doing the conversation about the friendly. So this virus is COVID-19. COVID-19 is very danger virus. So we should save this virus. This virus is in our countries in these times. This virus is covered many places of our countries like many states. So in these times this virus is chased Delhi and the Lucknow with very high density or they chased and they many kills pupils. So they kills many pupils in these times. Because the pupils is not doing the distancings or the not they know that what is the rules of the COVID-19 saves. In these times the pupils know that this virus is danger virus. Be students, today I am giving the information about the COVID-19 because COVID-19 is not evident. So we should save this virus. And COVID-19 is very harmful by which we giving some the information to save this virus. We should save this virus by which first rule is that we don't move without any reason out of home. If there is reason or if some work, when you have some work, after that you going to the out of our homes. And without any work, don't going here and there. So this is first rules. And the second rule is that doing or making the distance about the pupils, one pupil to another pupils, because this virus is touches virus. When someone is touched or this is the active cases of the COVID-19, if they touching you, this virus is coming with them to you. And we save this virus. We save this virus. First information about this virus. Every time you wash our hands by the soaps, Dettol's, or sanitize your hands or sanitize your body with every time, because this virus is killed by the alcoholic substance or by the alcohol, because sanitizers making by the alcohol. So mostly the use of the sanitizer and use the mask when you going out areas. And you should know that I am doing the conversation about to from the shopkeepers or many people they coming from with them. So use the mask on their faces to save this virus, because you doing the conversation about these pupils, you speak them and they also speak. So they speak and you speak to the front ears. So there are some mouths spreading. This virus is going to the another body. So this is very important. Wash your hand regularly and doing the physical distance. Or because this virus is a immunovirus. Because first of all, when the virus is catched a man, they stop and they break the immune systems of the pupils. So when the immune system is destroyed and our body is weakly and this virus is changed. So we should save this virus doing the physical distance or the doing the proper exercise, and there are mostly use the good foods and stay healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.